Today, we are going to design a clean and modern 404 page using Elementor. So this is one of those pages which people often ignore, but when designed well, it keeps your user engaged. So even if they land on this wrong page. So hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and here I share practical and real design idea that helps to grow as a web designer. So if you are learning Elementor or you want to build a website for your client or own business, make sure you subscribe and click the bell icon and you will get all my videos straight away. So this is my product, and actually I introduced this product, and here one of the design that is 404 page, and I will offer another also more pages sections like that should be why choosers. If you just go here and you will see some of why choosers page. Like if I go to from here, just why choosers page, and here you will see some of design like is all our why choosers section, and which section you need, you just download the section and input anywhere. So it actually quick note about Elementor. It's a special tool created for developer, for you guys, and you can store your full website section in a subdomain and reuse them anytime. Just download and import and edit, and it save your time save your time, especially for freelancer or client work if you want. So you can get all the if you want, you can get all of design at once. Just directly contact with me and I will send you the download or purchase link in my description box. Here you can get all the link and purchase them very minimal amount. So that should be very faster work. So here when you satisfied all my design is very good, then you can download or you can purchase. The website is elecraft.w3learner.com, and here if you don't found the purchase link directly, you can go through my w3learner.com. here just go to this is my website, and if you just go to my contact page, you will see my WhatsApp, and in this WhatsApp directly you can contact with me. And finally, if you want to me design your website, full design website, if you want from me, you can go to this website is w3learner.com, and you will see some various packages over here, and directly you can contact with me which package you want, or you can directly contact with me for design or develop your website if you want. As a business owner, if you don't much have time, you just wanted to make your website by a developer or designer, directly you can contact with me. I will help assist you very quickly, and definitely your website should be very unique. And yeah, that's the thing. So today's video we will start at 404 page, this amazing page, and today will be the 404 page. It's not actually, these are very simple design, but we will use very tricky part over here. So let's start the 404 page, and in order to, I have already create a page that is test, and here step by step I will add. So let's start building 404 page. This actually very simple element, like here as you can see, this is all our heading I use. This is a button, and that's the thing. So we will actually style them creatively, and so the page looks like will be professional and user friendly. So don't worry, you don't need any extra plugin for this. So first I have to make a I have made a section that should be, the section should be main 404. In my all videos I actually use this structure, like all structure name, I put a name, actually name. If you are making a website by watching this video, and which section and which container I have land, you have sometimes it's conflict, because when I in previous time when I see any YouTube video for practicing Elementor design or something, and they actually do all the stuff and just doing this design, and sometimes which section they have I don't actually understand. So that's why I select I put the name with container I have. That time I can recognize yeah, this man, this container doing work. So I have to click this container and doing stuff, all those design stuff for this container. So I have actually put the name for every video, every single video actually. So this actually main container, and this main container we will add, I'm going to layout, and here width will be 1280. Oh, I'm really sorry, 1280 pixel, and the direction should be the vertical, and also gap should be, I will add 60. All right, and if I go to the advanced, and here I will add some padding. Top will be 100, and that should be only 50, and bottom it should be 100, and that should be 50. Perfect, and it's been done. Okay, now we will take another container, just drag and drop it over here, and this container name should be 404 container. This is actually the main container, main wrap container. These are for the main 404. These are wrap container, and in this wrap I will add a main actually, not a main actually, this actually hold some element, like this element or this element, or all this element actually hold this container. I actually mean this. So in this 404 container, this container, we will add something, add stuff. Just go to my layout and justify, it will be centered. That's it. We do not do anything over here. Now we will do the stuff that is here. This 404, we will add this as a one row, and this page not found, this container, this button, it should be another row. So you can say that is this will be one row. This actually this actually for one row, this actually for another row. So here we will add two row. Basically I'm just adding the new container over here, and the container name should be 404 row 1, and another I will add duplicate it, but later I will duplicate, but clicking this one, and I will add width, and this width should be pixel 500 pixel, and this should be centered, not like centered, .500 is not work because it's, I will keep it. Okay, I forget this item that is center option. Now if I click this row 1, and here the 500 is okay, and just here it will be centered, and I don't need the center option. And here I will add the another text, that should be this text, and here I will add only 4, and this 4 should be inline or custom. I'll keep it only this. Now going to style and going to typo, and this font name will be like NATO, NETO, NATO sense of it, that will be any TO. So this font is not appear. If I go to my this page and going to 404 page, and I'm checking the font, clicking this NATO sense, NOTO. Sorry, I was that was a spelling mistake. NOTO, NATO serif, or it's actually, it's not serif, or it's sans serif. It's the same, sans serif. Okay, NATO serif, we can add it. Okay, now I'm just going to the size should be 250, and this will be 700, bold, and stylish note line height will add 1 em, and its letter spacing, it should be 25 pixel, all right. And if I go to this color, and this color, text color should be #497969. And if I go to the shadow, this text shadow, and also this text shadow color should be hash, it's a raw color 68S691. all right. And here the horizontal, it should be 10, and vertical should be 5, and this blur should be 0. okay. Now if I go to this advanced and this transform and rotate -20. all right, so that's the very tricky, so tricky part. So actually tricky part, that's why you do not need any extra plugin. So if you know this kind of tricky part, so maximum time when you make your website for your client, you actually avoid, you actually skip many of plugins. So that's actually for very good for your client website. So this idea here, that keep the design and simple and clear, so I just duplicate this header. I should not duplicate again. I will add this. I will duplicate it, but it will not. In order to do, if I click this row 1, and here we can set this horizontal. okay. And here has some issue. But for it will be 0, and another I will add, that will be 4. And now if I go to advanced and custom, so row 1 we can set it around. okay, this around is okay. Now if I go to this heading, this is the second one, this is 0. 0, it should be just, I will change the color. This text color should be 1E2023. perfect. I do not do anything over here, but if I go to the advanced and just here, I will just change this minor stuff, just going to transform and this rotate. I just remove this negative value, and but negative value here also has some negative value, no problem. Just clicking this 4, and here I will add just extra stuff, like here it's been actually done. And now what I will add, just duplicate the row. I actually don't want all the stuff, but in this row 2, 404 row 2, I don't want TWO. here I actually want the direction, it should be the vertical. And now I will add, that should be okay. This 0 actually has a issue. This 0 in my design showing -20. okay, and if you use the -20, it has some issue. So in order to, and going to 4, and this 4, it also should be also should be positive value. okay, now it's okay. Now what I'll add, this heading, and this heading should be page not found. Page not found, and not found has some color. So in order to do, I have a software or application, Pixie. It actually helps to copy the color code. This code I will copy it. paste it for here, but here is not found. In this not found, I will add a custom color. In order to, I will add some style, not a style, span, and I will add a style color hash v, and I will just zoom in the code. Sometime it will not show, I think. So that's the code. So in this span, I just add this not found text. Okay, so that's the easy stuff. Just going to style, it should be centered position. And again, I will add text editor under this not found over here, and copy the text and paste over here. So now if I go to row 2, we can increase it 700, and this text, it should be centered. Now another tricky part is button. It should be just, I'm just adding the button widget, paste it over here, and here I will add return icon. Select the icon, and this icon should be left side. And color, we can add the color. We can add the color code, like this gradient. I can select it, and this color gradient should be 49. It I have add hash. Okay, I have already added a hash 7969, and this location, it should be 0, and this second color, it is 68 A69. Before I added this color. All right, so here I will add a linear. Degree should be 245 degree. Okay, now we can add some padding. So it padding should be, I think, EM 1212. Okay, now similarly I will do the stuff just for hover. When it hover over, so first I will add a gradient color. So this color, first color, it should be same color code. That should be hash 497969, and it will be 0, and this will be 100% and linear. This second color, I will change the color only, 9BC4 BC4 B7, not like this. Nine BC 4B BC 4 B7. Okay, it's been done, and the degree, it should be 104 degree. Perfect. Okay, so that's the thing. Another stuff is this hover animation. When it hover, it will be upper, it will show to upper. That's why I will add the float, this one. Okay, but this float I actually wanted to design. So just click publish. Now if I go to tablet, it's done. It's also done. In mobile, it actually has issue. So in a mobile, we can add the text size. It should be smaller, like it should be 100, and this heading text should be 100, and this heading text should be 100. Okay, now going to the page of this text, it should be like this, and this text will be very smaller, and return is done. Okay, now you can keep it the design. Just click publish. So all are design done. So if you need actually the hosting, I recommended a hostinger with my affiliate link. If you just go to my website and go to resource, and with my affiliate link, you link in the description box, I will say if you buy any plan, if you buy shared hosting, you will save $7.88. So that's the very if you don't use my affiliate, you won't get $7.88. So it actually, you can save your money $7.88. And if you buy the bigger plan from hostinger, you will save more. But if you don't use you do not get any bonus. So you can less much money if you use my affiliate link. So all right, so that's our actually the custom 404. Congratulations, you can make this kind of a tricky design and clean, responsive, and easy to build. If you found this video actually very helpful, like, subscribe, and leave a comment. I love to hear your thought. So thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.